Gusto mong ma-enhance at lumaki ang iyong glute muscles o ang iyong booty muscles? Para sa iyo ang video na ito. Gagawin natin ang bawat exercise ng walang equipment, body weight lang, kaya pwedeng-pwede to sa mga beginner, knee-friendly, gagawin natin to on the floor. 10 minutes lang, let's go! 5 exercises, gagawin natin siya ng 3 ulit bawat movement. First natin ang ating glute bridge. Kunin lahat ng weight ninyo sa inyong heels. Squeeze at the top, slowly go down. 30 seconds. Mind-muscle connection. Isipin ang muscle na wino-work para lalo natin mas ma-engage ang ating muscles. Squeeze. 30 seconds. Huwag magre-rest ang butt sa floor.
Rest.
And rest for 10 seconds. Gagawin natin ulit ang exercise na to ng isa pang beses hanggang 3 beses. For the second time, squeeze your glutes. Inhale when you go down. Exhale when you go up. For more tension, hold that position for 10 seconds. Hindi tayo magre-rest.
3, 2, 1. Work.
For the last round. Inhale, exhale.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Next natin ang ating kickback. Single leg.
2, 1. Work.
Press sa taas. Hold 2 seconds. Slowly go down. Hindi sasayad ang knee sa floor. Squeeze your glutes. 30 seconds. Iwasan ang upper body movement. Mind-muscle connection. Isipin ang muscle na wino-work.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
And for more tension, you can hold this position for 10 seconds instead na mag-rest.
3, 2, 1. Work.
And for the second round or second set, concentrate para mas ma-engage ang yung glute muscles. As much as possible, walang upper body movement. Hindi tayo magsuswitch ng leg para hindi mawala ang tension.
1. Rest.
Hold this position. Squeeze your glutes at the top. 10
3,
seconds.
2, 1. Work.
And for the last set, it looks easy, pero pag niramdam ninyo yung exercise, it's going to burn.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Hold. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You're not only holding it, try to
3,
squeeze it out.
2, 1. Work.
Ooh. Let's switch side on the other side. Other leg. Oops. 30 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze those glutes. 30 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
And hold. or extra tension. You can do it.
3, 2, 1. Work.
And second set.
Three, two, one.
And hold. Squeeze. Try to squeeze.
3, 2, 1.
And for our third set.
Three, two, one. Rest.
And rest. Next natin, ang ating, let's work on our upper glutes.
1.
I-bend ang knee sa ilalim. And then point down your toes. And lift your leg up. Huwag sasayad ang paa sa floor para tuloy-tuloy ang tension. You can do it.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Rest. No switching of leg para ma-feel natin ang burn.
3, 2, 1.
Second set.
Work.
Point down your toes and lift your leg up. You can do these exercises with your hip band kung meron kayong hip band. Para mas maging challenging as mas lalo nyo ma-engage ang inyong glute muscles. You can do it. We're almost done.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
And rest.
3, 2, 1.
Last one for this side. Inhale, exhale. We're almost done. Stay with me. No pain, no gain sa fitness. You can do
3,
it.
2, 1.
Okay, that's our third set. And let's switch.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Bend ang isang knee. Point down your toes and lift your leg up. Inhale, exhale.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Huwag kayong bibitaw. Last movement na to. 2 sets more.
3, 2, 1.
Point
Work.
down your toes. Lift your leg up. Slowly go down. Huwag i-rest ang paa sa floor. You can do it. Inhale, exhale.
Three, two, one. Rest.
And rest. Last one.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Last exercise. I know it's burning. It's supposed to be burning. para mag-work, mag-grow ang ating muscles. Eat your protein to help you build muscles.
3, 2, 1. Finish.
Sigurado naramdaman ninyo ang inyong glute muscles. Thank you so much for joining me. Gawin nyo to at least 3 times a week. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.